Welcome to this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 4 and Lecture 74. The topic is the manufacturing line production or the product layout. Friends, agenda for today present in this videos types of the production process, job production process, batch production process, hmm, yeah, continuous production. Different between mass and flow production and the production and productivity and the some discuss points of the production and productivity. The types of production. The production system varies from the factory of the factory and farm product to produce. The production system is the also known as the product or in the factory in the form of produce in the product. However, one of the most important issues in the production volume that is the process to be produced. The most common types of production system are present. The job order production, batch order production and continuous production या फिर determinant production system. Job or job order production system. What is the types of production system is characterized by the flow flow of production volume which is the related with the manufacturing of products to meet the specific consumer requirement. The job order production. This is production is the achieve for the order. This is the given by the customer consumer order. Then the production start to on base of the customer order. This is specific consumer requirement. Consumer requirement. Okay. This is usually concerned with the project, special project and special equipment or machinery to the perform specialized by specific engage and turbo generators, boilers, and processing equipment, material handling equipment, and shipbuilding. This is all the project is the job order in the consist of the job order production system. Shipbuilding is the best example of the job order productions. The types of production is continue presented the job order production. Example for the this production group job order production can be the following three types of the regularity for the manufacturing system is presented. The small number of product produce one only. This is the only small. This is the small number of product produced only. A small number of pieces produced the indeterminately when the need of arise. A small number of price of the product produced the productly is at non-time the intervals. This is little scope of the improvement of manufacturing techniques. It this order is to be exceed or once only be introduce the introduce the introduce is the methods of study special tools, GIFs and fixture as Then the application on in this operation. The batch order production is the types of production suite for the medium volume, no large and no small order of the batch, order of the products, and the medium size of product, lot of the some variety either for meet of the specific order to satisfy the demand of the market. This is the batch order production. Is the production system is the uh, in the in the production of the product is the demand of require depend on the requirement of the demand of the market. This is production is the depend on the demand of market. Okay, the batch order production when the production of a specific batch to determined that the plant is facilities are available from the production of order similar product. This is the batch production. Order production is the all the product in made by in the production of the same similar product is per market of demand. Batch order production can be followed by a batch product only once. Batch products only for once. A batch product repeatedly is the irregular intervals when the need of arise. A batch products periodically at now intervals to the satisfy continuous demand. Batch production is very common feature in the industry. The machine tool manufacturing, press work, press work, forming and casting process, some sunglasses manufacturing, and the chemical process varies of operate to the batch basis. In the batch order production is the machine tool of manufacturing, press work and forging and casting process some of the glass manufacturing and chemical process. This is all the consist of the production and application of the equipment in this operation and batch order production system apply. The continuous production these types of production is the specialized the manufacturing of individual goods on which are the recruitment of machinery and full engaged. This is the production system or is the very high production system, and the production rate is the generally very high. The production of the product is the very high large. Suppose that the production of the toothpaste in the industry and oils and other of the small pieces of products, shop of shavels and creams and all the domestic in product in kitchen use for the is the this is in the product continuous production system is consisted. Continuous production is the justified only when the production rate uh, can be sustained by the market. The continuous production is a system in the production of the product is continuous and the exchange of market to delivery of the home is continue. The continuous production system is the product is the utilization of the product is continuous in the all the factors. The production add for such the special tools as applicable tools, fixture, purification, materials handling system, and inspection of the device of the available in the continuous production system. There are the two types of continuous production system: mass production system, and the second is the flow of production. The different between the mass and mass production system and flow of production. In this, the in mass production is large quantity of identical products is the mass production system. In the production of product is the a large quantity of identical products. Identical products is the produce but is the strip of the advancement of automation and ma- mechanization. No special or purpose tooling is the requirement of the need for one type of products alone. This is the production system. In the continuous production system is the both the plant and equipment are flexible, each for the deal with the order of products involved in the sum of production process is the equipment. Without measure of modification, the equipment can be utilized from the manufacturing other the product in view of the change in demand. The continuous production system in this, the uh, no change of order and no change of uh, variety of the quality and quantity of the products of the identical product in production. On the continuous production, the flow of production, the plant is equipment and layout is the primarily is designed to the manufacturing of product in a question. Suppose that the product is the generated to in production time is in, before requirement of the metal handling and raw material produce raw material is required for before of production. Novel the example for the household machinery, automobiles, engines, and chemical plants. The in the flow of production system in the application of the household machinery and automobiles of the engines. Suppose that the bike engines is the production in the continuous production system. In the product the made of the engines and other equipment of the bikes of the in this products the consisting of the chemicals plants. Suppose that the paint other paints and other chemical liquid in the production of the in the continuous production system is okay. The production and the productivity. A manufacturing plant or a factory is designed for a certain the production which may be expressed in terms of number of the product per unit time is known as manufacturing production. That is the number of cars per day and per month and per year. This is the production. The production may also be in terms in the volume of production, that is the turnover of it to the house thousands crore per year. The production system is the production of the continuous in the year, month, day, month, year, all the continuous production. The company is the turnover a higher rate of the year in the production system. The input may be machines and material or man. They are the main application of the production system in the input devices, the machines, materials, and man. These is three terms is the very important of the any product of production. Therefore, we can have the large productivity of machines, productivity of material, productivity of energy, productive of demand, out of the put of the input resources which we want to optimize the all whole or the of the productivity of the material. The productivity consists of the increasing the product increase the productivity is consist of the production which is without the increasing the corresponding input. The machine work in hours, man is work in hours, and quantity of the material or fuel, power consumption ityadi in the input input devices, input in the production of system. The productivity is the also known as the productivity is equal to the uh, output of the firm and industry, net output of firm and industry upon the input of the input in input of the company is known as productivity. Okay, thank you so much. In this video I present in the some of terms of product and productivity and types of the production system.